Dear my wonderful friends, welcome to Sharkmade. When you do anything to avoid social interaction with people. Me confesses to my crush. Crush, silence. Me turns to leave. Crush, actually I like you too. Me. Posting the rest of the meme after a year. Humans spend millions of dollars on night vision technology. Cats who do it for free. Native Americans making fun of my accent. Me, who's Bulgarian, learns Spanish, has a mother who speaks French daily, has a German friend, and whose English teacher is British. This dog really just be sitting, standing, and laying at the same time, what the frick? When your whole family contracts COVID, so you prepare yourself to be next, but somehow you don't get it. Coach, he trained for 4 years to win the gold only to crash. What on earth could have distracted this man? Teacher, you will never get a job if you keep playing politicans. Emergency lights. Park anywhere in ATA. Nike, launch the brand. But sir, we don't have a tagline. Just do it. Me, may I go to the bathroom? Teacher, why you didn't go at the break time? Bathroom at the break. When you sleep 4 hours a night and think coffee will fix it. Your favorite song is played on the radio. The radio presenter starts to talk before the song finishes. I'm not that kind of girl. Also her. This is how lions see zebras. Video game traffic. Real life traffic. This is why I hate video games, it appeals to the male fantasy. Class bully. Does your mother know you're gay? The quiet kid. No, but your father does. The class teacher. My friend, why are you supporting Japan at Olympic? Me, well, it's complicated. Every masterpiece has its cheap copy. When you're pooping for so long the automatic bathroom lights turn off. Bravo 6 going dark. Conspiracy theorists when their theory is proved wrong multiple times by different scientists. I have a spoon. Your argument is invalid. Man in armor. An arrow. Where did the cat go? He's too negative. It's me now. Most supermodels. Where the forecast girl? Do you want YouTube Premium? No. Do you want YouTube Premium? Somebody, you can't hear a picture. Me. POV. When that one friend who dates 4 people at a time goes through a breakup. I miss him. Which one? My 12-year-old Ash thinking of a colored app does not exist. Give me your phone. You are horny. Netflix murder documentary, but they left one single strand of hair behind. Me, freaking idiot. Knocking on someone's door is basically punching their house until they let you in. Wow, I can't find a flaw in his logic. You're not even watching the movie. Me, yes I am. Quick, British people are waking up. Leave them some tea and crumpets for breakfast. Me, buys a good t-shirt with some print on it. That t-shirt 1 week later. POV. You ask them if they play League of Legends. Indians during their wedding. First 15 minutes in the car. The rest of the ride. Male armor in video games. Female armor in video games. Nature, you're lactose and gluten intolerant, so make sure you watch what you eat. Me, shoving a foot-long Philly cheesesteak into my mouth. I reject nature. When someone tells me to do something I was already gonna, well now I'm not doing it. Chuck Norris doesn't dial the wrong number. You answered the wrong phone. When me and the boys get online to play, but instead just we end up talking about our day. Name Chuck Norris. Age 18 months. When you accidentally click on a stream with 0 viewers and the guy thanks you for joining, so you just sit there like. People, what do you watch on YouTube? Me, it's complicated. Yoda reads all the side effects of smoking cigarettes. When you move to Alabama and your uncle finds you banging your cousin. Your next big guy. Eating raw fish. Humans. Eating raw fish with rice. Humans. When you meet a blue-haired Chile vegan, but they're actually really nice and pleasant to be around, and you become good friends. Those bastards lied to me. Send nudes. Reveal your inner beauty to me. Wanna take a look to what I have underneath the sheets, baby? Other Titanic survivors. Rose. Jack on the door. How it looks. How it feels. Your child carry me to the snacks. Dad's falling asleep while watching TV be like. Jeff Bezos when he secretly lands on Mars. You shouldn't be here. Mark Zuckerberg's family, neither should you. My friend who asked me if they could have my kidney for their kidney transplant. Me who gave them 10 and told them to choose. Why are you running? Turning 30. People born in the 90s. Me, can we eat at home? Mom, there's food at McDonald's. Food at McDonald's. If you don't go to school, you will never get bad grades. Thank you for watching today's episode with Sharknade. Please don't forget to subscribe and check the last episode as well. Hit the notification bell and be the first one to watch. Thank you.